Unlawful discharge of a firearm in Arizona, also known as reckless discharge of a firearm, is a criminal offense that involves firing a gun in a manner or location that endangers public safety or property. ARS 13-3107 declares that negligently discharging a firearm in city limits can result in a Class 6 felony. Therefore, someone could face significant fines and a prison sentence if they are convicted for an accidental discharge of a firearm in Arizona, especially if the crime occurred in a residential area, public place, or in any situation where the shot could have caused harm. Gun owners and the general public should understand the intricacies of this law to ensure safety and prevent legal consequences. All Arizona residents should know what qualifies as unlawful discharge, the potential penalties for those found guilty, and preventive measures to help avoid such incidents. By understanding Arizona's regulations surrounding the unlawful discharge of a firearm, individuals can make informed, responsible decisions. There are several different types of unlawful discharge, and each can impact the classification requirements and charges associated with the crime. Knowing the following three forms of reckless discharge is important to understand how they may apply to your situation. Discharge in a prohibited area. Discharging a firearm in a location where it is prohibited by law, including inside a municipality's borders and near structures or public areas, is illegal. Shooting with a gun in a busy park or residential area, for example, falls within this category. This type of firearm discharge is forbidden by legislation to keep everyone safe and avoid accidents. Since this type of shooting puts other people's safety in peril in crowded or sensitive areas, you could face more jail time than someone with a first-time conviction of a non-dangerous Class 6 felony. Unlawful discharge of a firearm in Arizona is a serious crime that is usually labeled as a dangerous offense, extending the potential prison sentence to 1.5 to 3 years. There are many circumstances that can result in reckless discharge of a firearm charge, ranging from shooting a handgun as a threat or discharging a firearm in city limits at a prohibited location. Suppose you have been charged for accidental discharge of a firearm in Arizona. In that case, addressing the charge as soon as possible is crucial to increase your chances of achieving the best possible outcome. Secure legal counsel that has experience with ARS 13-3107 and other statutes surrounding firearms. Jackson White Law's top-of-the-line criminal defense attorneys have substantial experience defending people charged with unlawful firearm discharges in the greater Phoenix, Arizona area. We can provide expert-level guidance throughout the legal process and help you understand your options. Together, we can work towards building the best defense strategy for your specific situation. Call the Jackson White Criminal Law Team at 480-745-1639 to discuss your case today.